Part-2 was able to relay images of the target. It's a shielded cask for spent nuclear fuel. The KPA are known to co-opt those casks for carrying nuclear warheads. We've got a situation here.
Okay, 2 soft tops incoming. Don't fuck this up. I'm detecting a direct link to nearby reinforcements. Following behind, I've got another soft top diverting onto the beach, and an APC pulling up the rear. I'm also tracking 2 troop carriers and a KPA chalk. But what the hell? Just tear up the whole damn resort. KPA trucks are pulling up onto the beach.
O'Neill, listen up. I wasn't planning on going solo. I need munitions. What you got?
Okay, wait one while I access their mill net. Got it. There's a huge stash of explosives at the beach bar. Present from Uncle Sam. Watch for shrapnel. The APC on the road is still active. trucks are holed up in the restaurant. Heads down! on 3 bandits bearing 150, 25 at Angels 4, 50 right. Spiked. Deploying CM. Breaking right. Come on, come on! Jinking left. Trying to shake this. Shit! I'm hit! Left engine gone!
Sierra 2 is down. I say again, Sierra 2 is down. We've got incoming feed. Take a look at this. O'Neill's camera stops transmitting after the missile strike, but we caught something with the last few images.
Got it, boss.
Maximum armor.
We got a lock on O'Neill's ELT yet?
The priority is the container. What's inside and where they're taking it could be revealed by those photographs. KPA radio traffic suggests they are mobilizing to investigate the pilot's jet. You must get to that camera before they do.
Maximum speed.
Command, Sierra 2. Requesting pickup. Come in, Command.
Sierra 2 command. Request acknowledged. responding after the missile strike, but we caught something with the last few images.
Got it, boss.
Maximum armor.
We got a lock on O'Neill's ELT yet?
The priority is the container. What's inside and where they're taking it could be revealed by those photographs. KPA radio traffic suggests they are mobilizing to investigate the pilot's jet. You must get to that camera before they do.
Oh!
Command, Sierra 2. Requesting pickup. Come in, Command.
Sierra 2 Command. Request acknowledged. Wait 1. Escalating this to carrier air group. Over.
Roger that.
O'Neill! You made it.
What do you mean I made it? Of course I fucking made it.
Sierra 2 Command. Proceed to RP Tango Papa 70.
Negative, Command. This place is crawling with KPA. Send Big Mother.
Negative, Sierra 2. Your orders.
Damn it. I'm one man with a pistol against the entire KPA. Send a fucking pickup.
You have your orders, Sierra 2.
I'll be there soon, mate. Keep it together.
Psycho, the camera data should be located on the pilot's ejection seat. Get it before the KPA destroy it.
Maximum
what about the pilot?
Leave O'Neill to Air Command. Your objective is to intercept that container, not search and rescue.
I can do both.
Your mission is too important, Psycho. I'll make it.
Just hold tight, O'Neill. I'm coming for you.
Fine, have it your way. But you are on your own while you go off mission. I can't give you any support, and don't think I haven't got other teams on the island who can do this job.
Up here!
Maximum strength.
Thanks, Sykes. Man, you're gonna catch some heat for disobeying a direct order like that.
So what else is new?
Saw some firefights during my descent. We got any combat groups out there?
Not that I know of. That's a Project 914 cargo sub, Delta 4 class. Soviets sold the prototype to the Koreans last century. Damn thing's a museum piece. Hold up. No, mate.
Why?
He was unarmed. There are some rules I do follow.
Extraction coordinates are uploaded. Let's go. Big Mother, Sierra 2, proceeding to RP Tango, Papa 70. ETA 10 minutes. Sierra 2, Vulture 1-4. You are way ahead of schedule. JTAC has an airstrike inbound, ETA 70 minutes. Wait 1 while we secure the area. Negative 1-4. We're in a hostile situation. Cannot hold. We need evac right now. Copy, Sierra 2. JTAC, Vulture 1-4. Diverting to RP Tango, Papa 70. Be advised, we are flying downtown and area is not secure. I'm a sitting duck here. This thing won't hold together much longer. I'm out of here.
Raptor, Aztec, both KIA. Prophet is MIA.
Damn. What about the other guy?
Nomad's on the other side of the island.
So you and Nomad and Item now?
Well, let's just say I'm at worst teammates, eh?
Screw you. That should have been me, and you know it. Shit. Just how many Koreans are on this damn stretch of road? Vulture 1-4, what's our situation look like from above? Raptor 1-4, KPA on full alert. Units moving to intercept from all directions. Looks like someone told me you were coming. Vulture 1-4, approaching LZ.
Copy 1-4.
Damn it! We've got incoming! Aborting! We're pulling out! This area is no-go! Psycho, what's the plan?
Don't stop, just keep moving until we find out what happened to our VTOL. Don't stop, just keep moving until we find out what happened to our VTOL.